Morning everybody, welcome to the online classes for the academic year 2021 to 2022. Welcome to the session. So here in the previous session I have explained here one lesson, that is my painted house, my friendly chicken and me. So some part of the lesson is over and there is a remaining part. Yes, you know that here Kandi, so she belongs to South Africa. So their language is Bantu language, one of the official languages in South Africa. So she narrates all her experiences here when she was 8 years old. Yes. So she likes a chicken very much. So by making distracted, she can snatch some feathers. With that feather, she paint the houses. And you know that the people, particularly the women, they like beautiful houses with paintings here. So their father also built some beautiful house which was painted by the mother. Okay, yes, so let us continue from that. Here, my father built a small houses and my mother painted them. So his father, he built some small houses which were painted by her mother. We pretend that we can become small and go inside and have our meal. So they pretend means acting only. Okay, so they act like they are small and they go inside and have meal and everything, they pretend. In my village, the children play with penny whistles. So the children play with penny whistles. What are penny whistles? Like wind instruments. So children, they play with penny whistles and bicycles, and they play with the bicycles also. As here she is describing all her village and how the people behave there and how the children particularly play and everything, with what they play, everything. Some are so shy that they try to lose themselves in their mother's blankets, and some just sit back deep inside themselves and look out at the world. And how the small children, so some children, they try to lose themselves in the mother's blankets, and the others, so they just see what is going on outside. They look at the world outside. When my friends and I go to school, we wear the uniforms father bought in the town. But when we come home, we start jumping and laughing because we can take off those dry, dull clothes and put on our beads again and look very good. Yes, so she is describing her childhood memories. Okay, so she is saying that when they were small children, so they used to go to school by wearing some uniforms. And when they come home, so they remove the clothes because they don't like those clothes, because uniforms, you know that they are plain clothes. There will be no beads and there will be no designs and that at all. So which they don't like. The plain clothes which the people here, particularly Kandi and her friends, they don't like particular clothes. So that's why when they come back from school, they put off their clothes and they wear again the beaded clothes, which are very, very beautiful for them. Okay. Sometimes I go to the city with my mother and sisters and aunts in a wagon pulled by 4 mules. Yes, so 4 mules. Okay, so mules, you know, just like donkeys. Okay, born to female horse and male donkeys. They are called mules. So they used to go to cities drawn by these mules, 4 mules. In a vehicle wagon drawn by these 4 mules. Okay. The women wear their best blankets and best neck rings. Here the women, you know that their customs and traditions. So they wear the best blankets. So their dresses are like blankets, and best neck rings. They wear neck rings also. You know the tribal people, they wear neck rings. Okay, particularly, and very good leg rings also. Not only neck rings, and leg rings also they wear. Okay, of course. I am always happy to see the city people stare at my mother. Yes. When they go to city, the city people, they don't wear all these things, no, neck rings and leg rings and painted, designed dresses, they don't wear. And when they look at these people, when they stare at them, so this girl, she really feels very much happy for that. I'm always happy to see the city people stare at my mother and relatives, because the city folk means city people. Okay, city folk means city people. City folk have nothing so good as the individual women, because they don't have anything they don't have such kind of things. Okay, like individual girls or like individual women. All their houses are in one sad color. In cities, we find that they don't paint different designs on their buildings. Okay, so they're all in one color. All their city buildings, they are in one color, either red or something brown or yellow or blue, something. Only one color they paint. Okay, so which this individual girl, that is Thandi, she doesn't like it at all. Okay. All their houses are in one sad color, and the women I see have no beads at all. And the city women, they don't have beads, they don't wear beads, which Thandi does not like it at all. I feel sorry for them, and I give them a good smile, and she feels sorry for the city people for not wearing those things, and she smiles at them. It must help because they laugh. Must help because they laugh. I wonder, are little brothers in your village as mischievous as my little brother? And she's asking a question that so her brother, Tantis, she has a brother who is very, very mischievous. Mischievous means very, very naughty. Okay? Yes, very, very naughty. So, are the city people brothers are just like her brother, as naughty as city people's brothers? She is asking a question. Okay, actually she is not sure of that. That's why. He wears a sun cap, so she is describing her brother now, her own brother. He wears a sun cap because he is supposed to tend the sheep. So her brother, he wears a cap, a sun cap, okay, because he has to tend, he has to look after the sheep. But he is so mischievous that sometimes I would like to give him away. Yes, he is so mischievous. Sometimes she wants to keep him out of her reach. To someone far, far away, to a good person. He tries to get into everybody's business and even wants to make a chicken his best friend. So he interferes into everyone's matters, and sometimes she wants to make friendship with the chicken. That whose friend is chicken? So Thandi's friend chicken. But he also tries to make friendship with the Thandi's chicken. Okay. He will never succeed mainly because you have to know how to speak to animals. But he never succeeded in making friendship with the Thandi's chicken because he does not know how to make friendship. Okay. My brother can't help shouting, and of course the chickens runs away. So why he can't make friendship with chickens? He always shouts. He can't stop shouting. So that's why. So the chicken, when he shouts, they run away from the place and never make friendship with her brother. So that's why her brother is not successful in making friendship with chicken. Now about my very friend, the chicken. Now, so she is telling about her very friend, the best friend, her chicken. She runs from me only when she is on her own errands. So she runs from her only when the chicken is on errands. Errands means here, so she goes to visit some place to collect something. That means, so when the chicken goes somewhere to have food, but only at the time when she is not available, so she can't come to our Tandy. Otherwise, she will be there with Tandy. She plays with the Tandy. Okay. She runs from me only when she is on her way, on her own errands. But when she is free, I take her in my arms and tell her that I can't tell you because you are not a chicken. Yes, so here she wants to tell something about chicken, but she doesn't tell that because you cannot understand. The readers who are reading cannot understand, only who will understand the words of the chicken, only another chicken only understand the words of chicken. That's why she does not want to tell what the chicken wants to say. Okay. I have enjoyed telling you about my village, my mother and my skinny brother, the beads and the painted houses and my good friend the chicken. So she is very happy to tell about all these things. All these things means you have mother and skinny brother, the beads and the painted houses and good friend chicken. You may call me friend and I would like to call you friend. So you may call me friend. You means the readers can call her friend. And she also wants to call us like friends. Okay. I will let you hold my chicken. If you come to my house, I will let you hold my chicken. Okay. She will keep your secrets safe and because she won't tell your secrets. So that's why if you come to my house, I will let you make friendship with my chicken. You know why? Of course. Yes, you know the reason also. Of course. Okay. Why she can't keep secrets. Okay. Yes. Why she can keep secrets. Okay. Yes. So that is the end of the lesson. Thank you very much. And just watch this video again and again so that you will understand the things. Thank you very much. The next class we will come up with some more topics. Thank you.